Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another walk-around video thanks to the good folks at IAAI Auto Auctions here in Oklahoma City. Lots of cars, lots of trucks, lots of big trucks, and even RVs if you're interested. We're going to check out a couple thanks to my good friends inside the office. Super friendly people and super cool cars. First up on our list is a Chrysler. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. That's hail, folks. Rolls Royce Dawn. Oh my goodness, why is my life so fun? Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Here she is. Isn't she beautiful? Got my stuff packed on top of her right there. Yep, I got my sunglasses, a little jumper, and a Coca-Cola. 2007 Chrysler 300 Hemi C in black with chrome wheels, which I really, really like. These were such cool cars when they came out. Yep, the look is pretty amazing. Let me back it up a little bit. There it is. Now you can see more. Only issue I'm finding is some of the panels have been replaced. This is not like this. This is like this, which isn't like this or this. Okay, the bumper has been painted. The grille, okay, well, what's going on? She's kind of like that a little bit, isn't she? Tires have air. Tires have tread as well. Huh. Maybe, I don't know. It's, see how this? Yeah, she's been painted. Let's take a look at the engine and just kind of see what's going on. I have a friend who is actually looking at one of these, and I told that person I would help them. So, whoo, this is a big 5.7 liter. Had one of these in my Jeep, which was a great car, till we had an issue. Yep, in the valve stem area. Yeah, kind of a common problem. Missing a lug nut on that one. Let's check out the inside and see what's going on. I think you're missing a window here. A lot of folks compare these to the Mercedes E-Class. A lot of folks say they cannot compare to the E-Class Mercedes. I don't know. I stay out of that debate. I do. Okay, kind of a funky smell. Yeah, that's a weird smell. Is she gonna have any kind of power at all? No. Dag nabbit. This is a nice car though. You got a sunroof. I like the white dials on the dash right here. This is kind of cool. You can easily replace these with a doubled-in radio, get your navigation and all that kind of stuff. I've just heard they're a little rattly. They just don't stay together as well. Heated seats, as a Mercedes does. But you do get cup holders. I don't know. Should we try this or not? I kind of want to see if it's going to work. You think she's going to run? You think she will? Let's find out. Loving, loving, loving that. Yep, she's a flashing. Hopefully, this car is going to be a starting. Let's find out real quick. I don't want to kill the jump starter. Let's just see what's going to happen here, okay? You think it's going to work? We got nothing. Okay, we got nothing. Let's try neutral. Well, that's surprising. Nothing at all. Make sure the doors are unlocked. Unlock. Boston Premium Audio. Okay. Well, unfortunately, she don't want to start. She don't want to do anything. What's going on here? She should start. Oh, no, it's connected. Everything's good. Oh, well. Okay. Well, with that, we'll move on. At least we gave it a try. The old college try. I guess I should stay away from these cars that have obviously been in an accident before and not completely finished. Yeah, they didn't finish this at all. All right, next car. Well, how about an H3 to start off this video right here? Yeah, should I be like a mini Randy? Yeah, should I? And kind of follow in his footsteps? I'm already doing that. Yeah, I do have his blessing though on these little walk-around videos. He says, go ahead, have fun. And I'm trying. I'm loving it. Okay, so this is a 2007 Hummer H3. And I'm not finding a whole lot of damage on the outside, which kind of has me worried about the inside. I think these are fun little cars. They're not big. They don't have a whole bunch of room in them. The back seat. Okay, well, she is not the cleanest car I've ever seen. There's no really horrible smell. Once again, they put the windows, rear view mirror, on the side for us. Okay. Let's just kind of see what happens here. Okay. People, I don't know, but I'm getting in more and more of these cars, and these things are broken, which I don't like to see. But anyway, let's just kind of see what happens. And we got nothing. We got nothing. Well, should I waste my... I don't know if I want to waste the juice on this. Oh. A little bitty girl lived in here. Okay. This could be a fun little car. Replace that, and the inside will clean up just perfectly. A little dusty. That's okay. Got a nice little sunroof. These are kind of cool. Very plasticky, but still kind of cool. Let's take a look under the hood. Oh, someone's been in there too. That's already been popped. Okay. Hold on, I'll try to get this open. Come on, Mike. This is a heavy hood. Farka dark. And the hood struts don't stay strutted. Okay. The Vortec 3700. Hasn't been running a while, it looks like to me. Very, very dusty. Wow. Battery right there. If it would stay open. Dagnabbit. Okay, stay open. Let's just see something. Let's just see something. Okay. Should we? I'm having fun with my jumper pack. Let's just see if she's going to start. I'm predicting problems inside there. Stay with us. Well, little Noco's dead. She didn't last very long today. She really didn't. What is the problem? I should have got the bigger size. I know, bigger's better. But she didn't help start but like 3 cars. And now I got nothing. Nothing at all. Well, that's unfortunate. Sorry, Hummer. Yep, I can't do it. All right. We'll keep on looking. Check her out. Yeah, this is the Toyota Sequoia. And I have been looking at these for the longest time, and I usually don't like the colors that they come in. The silver's kind of There's that greenish This is a color shifting gray to purple to taupe. I don't know. I love it though. Like the newer headlights, this is a real possibility. I'm still looking for a tow vehicle. I did say goodbye to the GL 450. Yeah, she has a new home with a lady that is so happy to have her, just loves her. Not a big issue back here, okay? Of course you want to replace the bumper, like the writing says. What else is wrong? You got a flat tire, maybe some kind of a lower control arm right there, and a couple of windows, it looks like, and the little the skirt that goes out over the tire. See right there? Man, that might be hard to replace though with this color. How would you do that? How would you match this color? Ugh. Micah's having second thoughts already. But these are gigantic cars. Excuse me. And this one smells like an armpit. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a sweaty armpit. Fresh out of the gym where it was arm day. Oh my gosh. Okay. I want to see if it starts. I don't even know if I could clean that out. Oh, But these are such good vehicles, and they last for such a long time, and they'll tow anything you ask. It's just, oh, it's an armpit and a wet dog. Oh, I don't know if I can take it in here. There's no lights. There's nothing. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, I can't. Sorry. I can't do it. I just, oh. Okay. Cool color, limited Sequoia. Well, thanks for the opportunity, but no. Okay, we're gonna let the air clear out a little bit, and we're gonna continue on our search. I am still looking for a tow vehicle, and more cars for content. I don't know when that's gonna happen. Soon though. I just saw Mercedes. It's an E-Class, and it's got nice wheels, and it's the E500, so it has issues with the suspension. Okay, I'm gonna have to go see that. But that's gonna be in a different video, folks, okay? Thank you for watching, and a big thanks to everybody out here at the IAAI Insurance Auto Auction in Oklahoma City. Super friendly staff and some really, really, really cool cars. We're gonna check out that Mercedes in another video. You gotta stay tuned for that, folks. All right, bye.